The REPOSAL SP11H3650 reactor winding machine is purpose-built to eliminate loose bulging in flat copper wire windings, no hammering or post-forming required. It accommodates multiple flat wire sizes demonstrated with a 10mm wide sample for tight, mass production winding. Intrusion gaps exceeding 0.2mm cause inductance deviation. At pockets over 15%, raise temperature rise by 12°C, accelerating varnish film aging. Intrusion voids above 0.15mm risk friction-induced short circuits. Dimensional expansion of 7% encroaches on the core window, forcing turn reduction that compromises output, and short-circuit impacts can easily scatter and collapse the winding. Traditional hammering and pressing damage the varnish film and rely on skilled operators. This machine is set up by a technician via parameter programming, greatly reducing labor dependency. Its heavy-duty servo system maintains constant tension, delivering coil-to-coil tolerance within plus or minus 0.1mm, enabling low labor, high stability mass production. For inquiries, please contact REPOSAL.